I want to ask because Jon, as you were talking, it made me think about software quality and internal software quality. Mike, can you talk to us about internal software quality and if it really matters when we're talking about software development?
Sure. A lot of folks, when you talk about software quality, they think in terms of what the user sees or what the stakeholders see. They don't really think about what do the developers see. And I believe that internal code or code quality or internal quality is, how do I say it? It's a precursor to lagging external quality. And that is that as the quality internally starts to degrade, you will eventually start to see the external quality degrading as well. But the problem is that sometimes that feedback loop can be kind of long. And so by the time it's actually being detected that, you know what, the code base is kind of suffering, you've got a real problem. And so internal quality is actually, you know, your best place to start catching when the software, the code isn't representing what the system is really trying to do or is trying to do best. And so you need to constantly be refactoring. That's one of the other things about ensemble or mob programming is the fact that often when a developer is working solo, they're shouldering a lot of burden. And you would also think about the sorts of decisions that they might make. And they'll go, oh, I don't want to touch that. I don't know what that might break. And so one of the things that I see in ensemble or mob programming, like Jon was talking about, is there's a tremendous amount of courage by the team to actually fix something that if they were all working solo, it would have bothered all of them individually, but they never would have tried to tackle it. But when they're actually together, there's a certain amount of courage that just, you know, it emerges in the group and they decide to go ahead and fix it. And so when you have an internal code quality problem, one of the best things I would tell you to do is start mobbing on it, start getting that ensemble working on it. Because it's like having a constant review while you're actually trying to code or to refactor. So anyhow, hopefully it's clear that internal code quality is important and it's a precursor usually to indicators of external quality.
Absolutely.